Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I want to share with you some of our new digital files, and they're all related to Easter. Now there's two different types for Easter. We have the bunnies. So we have the 2-inch bunnies, and then we have the 1.5, the 1.25, and the 1-inch. And I want to show you, I had, printed them out and I tried, and you can punch each one of them, so there is no waste. Or you can cut them out. They're super cute. So you have a black bunny, like kind of a vanilla bunny, and a yellowish bunny. And I love the silhouette. I think it's so cute. I don't know why. It kind of reminds me, I don't know why, of Peter Rabbit. I don't know why. And then the newest one, so that's one digital file. And it is a bundle. With these, we decided just to do bundles. And so you have the two. And then this one here are the little eggs. And they're so stinking cute. So there's 4 sheets, okay? And all the eggs on each sheet is different. So you have this one here where you have the speckled egg. And look how detailed he made that. And then kind of the swirl. And look at that little chick egg. Oh, so cute. So again, you have your 1.5, the 1.25, and the 1-inch. And then you have, you have the 2-inch one of each. And then you have the second set, and that's sold as a bundle. And the bundles we kept at 50% off because we figure if you're going to buy a bundle, 50% as a thank you. So we have the 2-inch. So you have this one here, and look at the detail on that ink or on that egg. And then that one there, the flower one, and a purple one. So stinking cute. And then you have the different sizes. So that's our release for, I think it was the last 2 weeks. So the eggs and the bunnies. And if you're interested, you can go to NicoleJones91.com. You go to our shop and go under embellishments. And then those would be on the top of the page because they're our newest released. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.